We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this Cuban-American lawyer who served as the Deputy Secretary of the United States Department of Homeland Security. How do you go about pronouncing his name? Since he's both Cuban and American, there's going to be two different ways of saying it. His name is certainly of Spanish-speaking origin, Cuba, the Spanish-speaking country. In Spanish, then, it would be said as Alejandro Mayorkas. Alejandro Mayorkas. In English, however, it is usually said as Alejandro Mayorkas. Alejandro Mayorkas or Alejandro Mayorkas. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more names from US politics whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more.